So a lot of people don't even know that they can set up their Pi wallet. They can set it up again. And I'm going to show you how to set it up. So click on the menu icon and later click on mainnet. So after you click on mainnet, you are going to see your unverified balance. You are going to see transferable balance. And if you go to checklist, mainnet checklist, if you click on that, you are going to see that there's nothing under migrated to mainnet. So there's nothing there because my KYC has not been fully verified. So that is why. If I click on mainnet checklist, you are going to see some things. You are going to see confirm wallets, confirm your Pi wallet. So if I now click on that, it's going to take me to my Pi browser. And you can see, so migrate to mainnet. So I lost my Pi wallet, Passphrase key. I don't even know it anymore. So I want to create a new wallet here. You are going to see. So if you have it, you can just enter it here. But since you don't have it anymore and you want to create a new Passphrase key, so just you can see lost passphrase, create a new wallet here and return to confirm the new wallet. So how do you do that? First thing, create a new wallet. So generate new wallet. You are going to see create your wallet and click on generate new wallet. So click on it on that. So this thing right here. So this is my free scale right here. I'm going to copy that. So once I copy that, can also show alternative, or you can use fingerprints. Once you copy that, first thing you have to do, you have to copy it down. When you copy it down, then go and save it on your notebook, then write it down. It's very important for you to write it down. It's very important for you to write your passphrase down. So continuing with Facebook, I'm going to use fingerprints. So I'm going to enable my fingerprints. Then you are going to see something like this. This is your identity on the Pi blockchain, private key. And if you want for you to be searchable by your username, you can just continue it on continue. So it has been activated, as you can see. So this is your free skin, activate your wallet. So once your KYC is going to activate this for you to be able to receive Pi. So if you don't activate it by your KYC verified, so I'm going to come here and confirm. So hit on confirm. Email confirmation sent. Click the link in the email to complete the wallet verification. So go to your email. There's a link, you can see Pi network. There's a link there that verify your migration wallet. Click on it. Verify your migration wallet. It's going to verify it. Made a mistake, go back, can say verification successful. You have successfully verified your wallet. Your Pi reward will be migrated to. So if you made a mistake you can click on made a mistake and can click on go back. Hit on go back, enter your wallet here and confirm. So it's all done. So if you come back to your Pi network app again, we go to mainnet, we hit on mainnet checklist. You are going to see confirm your Pi wallet. You are going to see something like this. So this is how you are going to create a new Pi wallet in 2025. And I hope you understand this video. So you are going to see sign, acknowledge to receive token. So you have to complete this. I think I've even made a video about that. And you are going to see a lot of things here too. So this is how you are going to create a new Pi wallet address in 2025. So I'm going to see you in the next video.